Hi to all. Today we are going to discuss the topic called building a data path in computer architecture. Building a data path, it's a data path element. It's used to operate and hold the data within a processor. In the MISPS, implement the data path elements include the instructions, data, register file, and ALU and address. Program counter, PC is a register containing the address of the instructions being executed. Register file is a state of element that consists of the set of register that can be the read and writing by supplying register number of being accessed. This particular figure shows the instruction memory and program counter and adder. Building a data path, fetching instructions, that means it's getting the information from the PC to the read address to the PC, then it is loaded into the adder. Data building a data path or format instructions in the arithmetic logical instructions is having the addition, subtractions, add, or, and then SLT. Examples: add $T1, T2, T3. These three instructions are added together, then stored into the $T1. For that, the register number and the datas are stored into the ALU memory locations. Building a data path. Load the word, store the word instructions. Loading a word and storing the word of instructions is followed by the followings. How means LW means a $T1 offset value of $T2. $T1 offset value of $T2. The same way loading and storing happen in the building data path. Branches of instructions, that means BEC. In this BEC, the keyword is using BEQ, $T1, $T2 offset values. This particular thing, the instruction is loaded into the memory. That instruction is fetched for the shift 2, then that is loaded into the additions, then that is again perform the addition operation, then that is loaded into the ALU instructions. For an example, here the instructions are getting from the memory, that is loaded into the mutex, then that is operation is performed in ALU, then that is loaded into the memory readers, then memory readers is loaded into the mutex, then finally it's read by the data memory. Then this is an example 2, the same way of example 1 here, but the shifting is shifting is used here, then signed and unsigned variables also used here. Thank you.